What is the difference between monkey branching, cheating, and rebound relationships? You need to understand the differences in order for you to know, first of all, what to expect. Second, how to heal from that. I'm Coach Paz Goldman, your relationship and breakup coach, and I'm gonna make a lot of order in your mind in terms of these three types of breakups. All of them are hard. All of them are top tier, painful breakups because it's not normal breakup. It's not your ex tells you, we just don't mash, we don't vibe, and I want to break up with you. And they are going on their way, taking time to heal. You find someone, they found someone, and it's all like it's just a breakup. It's a normal breakup. This is not what we're talking about here. Today, we're talking about the painful breakups. So, cheating, and I'm going to give you just broad general definitions, and then I'm going to give some examples and also how to heal. So cheating is when your ex or your partner is finding someone else while you are together. And I mean, there is emotional cheating and there is physical cheating, but cheating is cheating for cheating is cheating. There's Let's not sugarcoat it. All of them are bad and all of them are unforgivable. You cannot forgive an ex for cheating, for rebound, even for breaking up with you. Because once a relationship is over, the divine union has been severed, it cannot be repaired. I talk about it extensively in many of my videos, but let's just stick to the topic. So cheating is when your partner is entertaining emotionally or physically someone else. That's it. As simple as that. There is no you can't forgive this. You can't. And sometimes people say, yeah, you can forgive cheating. No, you can't. You can never. As a man, you will never forget that your partner kissed another person or were physical with another person or even just emotional cheating. It will never leave your mind. Plus, if you are accepting this unacceptable behavior or take them back, take her back, she will never respect you. I'm just speaking very shortly about this because I don't think there is a need to go that deep. You just need to realize that she will never respect you, you will never forget about it. And I made a lot of videos on it, so you can watch my channel, you can go back and watch other videos that I talk about it more extensively. This is in regards to cheating. Also, if your man cheats on you, and in some cultures, I know that Latin cultures, it's pretty much okay for a man to cheat. And sometimes people say, yeah, a man cheat. This is just who they are. No, they're not. No, they're not. Real men never cheat. Real men is honest and loyal. So don't take this BS and think that all men cheat. Not all men cheat. No, not at all. So if your men cheat, again, it's the same thing. You cannot take him back because if he knows that he can get away with cheating on you, he will do it again and again and again. And you don't know if he even wears protection. And if he doesn't wear protection, he can bring you a disease. Like, there are so many things that it's messed up. I'm not even talking about spiritually, and I'm not talking about religiously that you need to wait until marriage. And a person who is lustful is just, it's horrible. And every relationship is built on lust will be lost. We can go really deep here, but I want to keep it very, very on point for you guys. So this is in regards of cheating. Number one, monkey branching. What is monkey branching? Monkey branching is when your ex-partner cheat on you and move on with the person that cheated on you with. And it's the worst type of betrayal because you feel replaced because you were replaced. You feel the betrayal. So it's betrayal. It's being replaced. It's broken heart. It hurts your ego. It hurts your heart. It hurts everything in you. That's the worst. Monkey branching is absolutely the worst. And I oftentimes give a parallel to being involved in a car accident when you're in the passenger seat. You didn't cause this, but you're affected, highly affected by it. And if we extend this metaphor, now you need to go to physical therapy to learn how to walk again. And this is you start working again, working on yourself, understanding what happened and draw the conclusions. And don't take blame for what happened. They will try to blame you, but you take the responsibility and you say, I accepted unacceptable behaviors. okay? And then you grow. So when it's monkey branching, you will need to have, it's a multiple layer healing that you will need to, it will take time. Cheating, it can take between, I would say, 2, 3 months to heal, to maximum a year. Monkey branching, it's pretty much, I would say, even 4 months to a year. It really depends on who you are, what you went through in your life, how you process information, how coachable you are. When I work with you guys, some of you guys, it takes you a month, sometimes two. It really depends on how you also process information. So if you need help, by the way, I'm here to help you. When we work one on one, it will be easier for me to tell you, listen, it's going to take you this amount of time, this amount of time. I'm also a behavior analyst, so it's easier for me to analyze your personality and just tell you and give you an estimated time on how long it's going to probably going to take you. And I will walk you through all of the steps. The link in the description below to talk to me or to get my online healing coaching program, but we'll talk about it in a bit. I just want to focus on the topic, like I said. So when you're going through monkey wrenching, healing from monkey wrenching, you will need to have more grace and patience with yourself. Now, for the other one, the final, the last but not least, is rebound relationships. When your ex, what is a rebound relationship? Rebound relationship is when your ex left you, they didn't have no one else lined up. They didn't cheat on you, but they moved on very quickly. Sometimes it can be few days, sometimes it's few weeks, and it really depends on the emotional state. It's more depending on the emotional state than the timeline, but usually it's very, very quickly. So when they are getting into a new rebound relationship, for you, it's super hard. And usually it's because they checked out emotionally from the relationship long time ago, and now they are ready for someone else. And it's not that they're also ready, they need someone else as an emotional crutch to go through their breakup. So so monkey branching and rebound, it's kind of the same. It's kind of like the same because it's the feeling of being replaced, but rebound is a little bit less. So the worst one, like I said, it's monkey branching. After that, I would say cheating, and the least painful, but all of them are painful, it will be rebound when your ex just left you and then find someone very quickly after you. All of them will hurt. All of them will cause you to go within, will force you to start to heal, will force you to seek answers and realization. This is why you're watching this video right now. You need this. You say to yourself, what happened? What happened? What did I miss? What I didn't see? How can they do that? And then, this is, by the way, this will be the second thing you're going to say to yourself. The first thing is you're going to say to yourself is, I want to see their new relationship crash. I want to see this new relationship burn. I want to see them suffer like they made me suffer. All of these vindictive intentions, you will have them. With all of these type of betrayals, you will have them. In order for you to heal from them, you got to do the work. And the work, it's not just watching YouTube videos. YouTube videos are great, but they're too general. YouTube videos are great, but the problem is that after this video, I don't know what you're going to watch. I don't know. Maybe you will hear some other coach that tell you take your ex back, and now you're confused. That's the thing. This is why when you're going through a breakup, I would highly recommend for you to stick with one coach or one specific, I would say, ideology. My ideology is never take your ex back, no matter what. So if you're vibing with this ideology, stay with it. Stay here. Stay with me. Get my program. Get off YouTube and do the actual work. The actual work, the Rise of the Phoenix, my online healing coaching program, takes you step by step in is a platform that I built, a platform. It's not YouTube that you have many distractions. It's a platform isolated and you're concentrated and you have workbooks and you have everything you need in order for you to actually do the work inside. And I'm not telling you exactly what to do. I am guiding you by asking you questions that helps you to get within yourself to find the answers. Here, I can just guide you. And also I cannot take away your pain. I can give you understandings of why you're feeling the way you do. and validate your emotions while you're doing the work, while you're growing. And this is healing. Healing is a self love process that you must fall in love with yourself. What happened to you caused you to not love yourself. And you're very attached to the old identity you used to have. You're not attached to your ex, you're attached to the old identity you used to have. Now you need to detach from who you were in order for you to create someone new, the person that you want to be. When you're doing this work, this is healing, this is loving yourself, this is reinventing yourself, moving forward and not backward. Start to look to your future of who you want to be, not who you used to be. There's a lot of differences that you must realize in order for you to truly heal holistically, because you need to understand the breakup, you need to understand relationships dynamics, you need to understand the relationship that you have to God. There's so much in your healing journey that it's a beautiful journey. You've been initiated, anointed to become the best version of yourself through this pain and through this channel that will help you, by God's grace, to embrace this breakup and say, it happened for me, not to me. And then you're going to rise like the phoenix. You're going to grow stronger. Because there are two type of people after a breakup: the ones that grow bitter or better. The ones who are getting bitter, they they are the type of people that will hurt other people because they've been hurt. Please make sure that this is not you. Make sure that you are the kind of person who do the work on themselves and actually want a true significant relationship with someone that did the work on themselves just like you do. But in order for you to find that someone, you need to become that someone. And everything at the end of the day will point back to you. Everything will point back to you, your relationship with God. And then you start cultivate this relationship with God and with yourself, and you start falling back in love with yourself. And you feel so good about who you are, not who you were, and who you are becoming. You're focusing on who you are and who you are becoming, no longer on who you were. And life becomes good again. You start seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. You start to see possibilities. You start to think differently. And this is healing. So just to sum up this video: cheating, monkey branching, and rebound. Cheating, monkey branching, and rebound. All of them will hurt you. All of them will actually initiate you to become the best version of yourself. No matter what brought you into this video, I hope this message blessed you. And if it did, give me a like. And if you need help, please feel free to check the link in the description below for the Rise of the Phoenix, my program. Now for only $37 for a limited amount of time. So make sure you take advantage of it. Or if you want a one-on-one with me to expedite your healing journey, to make sure that you're growing correctly and you're doing the work as you should with no deviations, to heal and to become the best version of yourself, you will need some guidance. You will need a kick in the ass from time to time. And I'm here to do just that. May God bless you on your journey, my dear friend. And whatever you need, Coach Paz here for you. I love you. I'll see you again in the next one.